Okay, so for this portion, we're going to talk about how to do what's called a metric conversion. Okay, this is also in your lab manual. Make sure you check your lab manual for this chart. So in the future, you can refer back. When do we use this? This is when you're looking at your protocol and you're wondering, it says on my scale that it weighs grams, but on my protocol, it says kilograms. Do I just weigh out 1 gram because it says kilograms? No, you need to do metrics conversion. You need to know how many gram is in a kilogram. So then you move from kilogram into gram, and then now you can use, you go from kilogram into gram, and then now you can actually use your scale to weigh out. Another thing is we're going to measure very minute amount of liquid throughout the semester. And most likely you're going to use this ability into advanced classes in science. So you need to know how to do unit conversions. Now let's start with some of the most common used metrics. Kilo is when you have 1,000 of something, 1,000x of something. So when you have kilogram, then 1 kilogram will be 1,000 gram. So it's 1,000, it's more. All of these are less. So when you have centi of something, that means you have 1/10, a tenth of something. Milli means 1,000th. Micro means a millionth. And then nano means a billionth. Okay. When do we use this? You're going to see a lot of liquid that might be listed as 1 milliliter. But then we're giving you a micropipette, which measures microliter. Okay. So how do you measure 1 milliliter when your pipette is measuring micro? So now you have to do unit conversion where you go from 1 milliliter into X amount of microliter. This mu means micro. So when you see a mu sign, we're measuring in micro. So say on the protocol, we said, please measure out 1 mil. What are you going to do? Well, the micropipettes use microliter, so you're going to do unit conversion. They both are a certain amount of liter. Milliliter is 1,000th liter, while micro is a millionth. So they are 3 orders apart. Milli is bigger, right? -3 is bigger than a millionth is smaller than a thousandth by 1,000-fold. So to get to this, you need to times 1,000. And then so 1 mil equals 1,000 milliliter. Going forward, you might be given 0.8 mils. Please measure that out on the using your micro pipette. Now you have to again do unit conversion to microliter. Milli to micro, again, 1,000-fold difference. So 0.8 milliliter times 1,000 equals what? You can use your calculator, or if you know how to calculate this, it will be 800 microliter. So all these will be very important moving on. You'll need to know how to calculate this in length and mass and in volumes.